Hey Ivan, what's your everyday carry?
So at the moment, it is a Glock 19 with a Trijicon RMR. This Old Faithful, super reliable.
Hey, I am carrying a Glock 43X with a Vortex Defender CCW.
My current wear and carry is a Glock 19 with a TLR 7X.
Hey Scott, what is your everyday carry?
Walther. Walther PDP.
Walther PDP?
Yep, 4-inch compact with a red dot and a weapon light on it with an extra magazine.
Nice, thank you.
Walther PDP Pro E with the Pro Dynamic trigger, flared magwell.
P365 X Macro.
A gun. A Glock 19 clone with a gold barrel because I'm bougie. Don't forget your extra magazine, people. A lot of bad guys out there.